So, have you ever wondered how to get your Facebook page to rank higher in search results? It's, more important than ever in 2024.
Definitely. So, what's the secret sauce for Facebook SEO these days?
Well, it's amazing, but the principles are pretty much the same as traditional SEO. You know, integrating keywords, crafting quality content, and building
Right.
backlinks, all that jazz.
Wait, building backlinks on Facebook? How does that work?
Well, it's about getting authoritative sources to link back to your Facebook page. It's kind of like, you know, when reputable people vouch for you, it boosts your
Yeah.
credibility.
That makes sense. So, what's one of the first steps to take?
First off, customize your URL. Instead of that long, messy string of numbers, you get a clean, branded link. Like facebook.com, your brand
Oh,
name.
right.
It looks way more professional.
Definitely, but how important is the page name itself?
Super important. Your page name should be memorable and reflect your brand accurately. It's like, naming a store. You want people to remember it and know what you offer.
Right, of course.
Plus, it helps with searchability.
So, keywords play a role here too, don't they?
Absolutely. Just like on your website, you need to include relevant keywords throughout your Facebook page, in the About section, description, even in your posts. But, you have to be careful not to overdo it.
Yeah, keyword stuffing is a big no-no. Nobody likes reading a page that's just crammed with keywords.
Exactly. It's like, trying to read a spam email.
True.
So, quality content is key. Share valuable posts that resonate with your audience.
Speaking of content, what about the timing of posts? Does that matter?
Oh, definitely. Posting when your audience is most active boosts engagement. It's like throwing a party when everyone's available.
Haha, good point.
According to recent studies, mornings and late afternoons during weekdays are prime times.
Interesting. But isn't engagement more important than just timing?
Well, they, go hand in hand. Higher engagement signals to Facebook that your content is valuable. So posting at optimal times increases the chance of getting that engagement. It's all connected.
I see. So what's next? Should we focus on adding call to action buttons?
Yes. Including a CTA button on your page prompts visitors to take specific actions, like visiting your website or contacting you. It's like having a helpful guide directing people where to go next.
Right, makes sense. I've also heard that adding featured images can make a difference. Is that true?
Absolutely. Visual content grabs attention. Featured images and posts showcase your best content and make your page more engaging. It's like, decorating a storefront window to attract customers.
And what about local SEO? Does adding contact info help?
Definitely. Including accurate contact info improves your local SEO, making it easier for nearby customers to find you. You'd be surprised how many businesses overlook this simple step.
Yeah, you'd think it'd be obvious. So, engaging with the audience is important too, right?
Oh, for sure. Responding to comments and messages builds trust and loyalty. It's like, having a conversation with your customers. People appreciate when brands are
Exactly.
approachable.
You know, sometimes I feel like businesses automate too much and lose that personal touch.
I see what you mean, but, automation does have its place when used properly. It's all about balance.
Right.
But you can't replace genuine human interaction.
Well said. So, to sum up, Facebook SEO in 2024 is all about combining traditional SEO practices with good social media strategies.
Exactly. It's integrating keywords, optimizing your page, sharing quality content, engaging with your audience, and paying attention to details like timing and visuals.
Yeah,
It's a holistic approach.
this has been really insightful. Any last tips?
Just remember that consistency is key. Keep your branding consistent across all platforms and, regularly update your content. And stay adaptable because the digital landscape is always evolving.
Absolutely. It's like surfing. You've got to ride the waves and adjust to the currents.
Haha, exactly. Well put.